Utie oha extra ponkno. Needs FM.
Augustino Boy Esquire Yamaha.
Major Miniac. Adakabre. The charity force.
Yajoso. The kind me and Shasie. Extensive police powers. Yetimi engage in certain acts, ya fire hudie, and so soon capressive was say, Wamo any ebekan, common ebekapa, especially relating to the Obekan say national security considerations. Pressive war powers, no. Say, Anna, one betimi, and near dear, ya na ya no maybe agreeing coswell.
Oh, police for the share at 30 more. Powers are warm near Mount Bitumay, and ne offenses na yabu or at 29 criminal code in Omona or my 2 years or monster. There could be a pombrana or munchen and panning quit in a court. Into omo powers is the many the America, omo powers is the a dog bar. So muyo ya sumbe doing Ukruma. Now, man, you year and a mayina yembre. So, Monty or Motumano, seriously, so more year to Manoa. Kaya die better. It is the only Pamunia, who share police in Yano and Yaji. The movie to Kani barrier and the Panea Kumatoy, and so okay, the art is not far from the barrier. Near Kumatoy. Now, so Peter, we who care one, who know the police barrier when you Muana. It is the only Pamunia, and then now police are no in the Yaji. Omutu me so pa omunema bebre na area hye omunza omaya so mbie ejina won so enyina politician ejina police force ombayi omunuma yi amaye nyina hanke ya so mbedwe
na adenti na Bureau of National Investigations for wo case kura kodie ho a prosecute na prosecute
woni nse mi na ka president police board jumazite na ukoyi uku na to wa police ni anko wa prosecute enyi Oko office of the special prosecutor no ampa police ko anko fa prosecute ni uko BNI omo na ya sheda afite o na so omo ntwa ni nimte ni ze build docket
a process for
court control border omo ni nyina police for uko you ko police for uko office of the special prosecutor police for uko BNI omo police for and because omo na build docket and omo na nimte ni secret statement. And you want to call Mojuma de Mr. so almost over your Mojuma pa na say o mine no e be jai wo mo so o nyo Mojuma za bushi police ya sumadwe.
Na ka say o mo na enim say dey build docket o mo na enim say dey secure statement a kire mu kakrai.
Say ye ti obi na wa no asem na won asem ni fiti ase ni ehye. Ye say o de obi abbo ko ebi say o do ka akopa wi so bisa wasaba enye do to the table ni no bisa wasaba no aka kan dey part da na wa fa ho en debi obi bisa wasaba ni that way so be catch say o be clear statement or no be bonko o no ne bonko bo ni jira no o clear statement na obi me ran go for no wa Brian ke so o clear no o to we also will sign and as o no ne ada so be mo aye witness amana wa atem ni o mo ni bia nkasa yetete wo man kasa nti na oboko training wo depo no wo hwese ni yetete wo na yetete wo mani hwe wo hwese ne ya wo bisi wo ye adwuma ahye mpanimpo ate ama wo mahwe ne ya wo ye no so a kidi the police there denye atoreje ma kidi the wo police da wo ye mistake because ye ne bi ndie de ma wo no ene wo mo ehwe wo so kidi the mistake the 2 million kura bi pa
na sa tu
na the police ni jiramia se de ya yele mano so wutumi pa
na sa
ba so wa kontu no kra on to aso thank you the investigation no ala fi you wa kuti aka
wasi wa kwantu no won to aso de be investigations
ni cheka
arade
ya o se be bien kwada so o pa 47 hours dura no we jaw
Jesse, as my kind of BBS Mwaya Misre, and Ranopa, a high occupancy coach, I will free Kintampo, Eba Cravata, Jima VIP, and a process for Costo 815 on the highway between Kintampone, a year Techiman, and as of our license in Brahma Maria, or your license in or license in suspected say a fake, Enti etwen omugina ho for 3 hours answer na DVL for ebe confirm yes passenger for su car mo and DVL 3 hours omo confirm so driver's license no enye fake abele enye fake and so o windscreen we kra na shattered na o sank ye eti besene ne kokot otu obodom eti
omutu menso na ya na prejudice ne wo mo ne ma o mo ye na emfa kwa mu na ya na ye gina no nko aso egwa o mate ba mi da ka be ma rev say o mo mobile pa ta wo drive na say ye mu bi wo drive ye fe drive pa wo drive na say wo ko ko achi wo no ma o do kokuru side
we twa nsuo no
o hwe say ne ho die din a wo to police barrier na wani ade
because be
ma ultimate drive pa o sama na boy side ho bo say ho ye di wo to police barrier na wani ade
and
so Gregwa who you di kwan so ukodu police barrier no wani age
ti la
ni you ka no mu dia na bo ni sembie ni uti mu dia hu o mu pa no wani age ze dia around
you the sa
no mu ye dia ka ye ma o man no
extensive powers state security away and what's a platform ahodo a aba no caution ben and adebe caution participants on such WhatsApp platform giving a state security extensive powers from war.
Mini I said me no ka say no so ye akonya wo dia mame anata asema wo bitebisa me ye platform na dia mame. Enti ze asema me bie ma no aka bia no. Ese se me hu se e pamra kwan ana ebeboa amoman no atumpo oman ni ye ene beboa. As a me family in criminal law in a to the office now frame na makeka de me penyi na se de me pese we monsore mu ko yese monsore mu yese ana bi di obi ataba se be hunu wa mani to me a ye wono abebia no emrada ho to to me a ye wono ye ka ya abebia no emrada ho di obi wa no platform so a ye was a trusted degree ye di o platform so wan ko fe no bi an kudi agro na okofa bibi fufuro de kudi agro police ko bitu ama won atete wo mu wo kwan se bi won ma o ka platform so a obutimi aka say district de men kum ni pa mi kum ni pada na me ko ekure bia so o be kum ni pada ampa di pa ku won ma o jiri se wa pa won di de bi o police bo o ka so the best e be cho so mo ye wimu so mo cho mo di won ka so do 2.7 hours 47 hours e dura 55 minutes o mutili you know do kokot
enti le get no bo
one we am do go Friday we give ma bill na nti bia na obi account u betem
but no dey I was say almost society to me no almost exercising responsibly and with great honesty
I want to take responsibility the omo ye na with honesty dey mean to me come on go honesty is buy
responsible ni dia honesty ni dia
is fine so there someone that defense is going to be honest so could do kure and now could do go only man the kure che di ma say me say hey ni asoma na so omra me so obo a to me asoma no I don't know honesty enye me a obeche me no ndeli we chen ne nsema o de ba becho
lo am ye hwe say edie na ubetimi aka ayo ebeye a source of motivation to a third party amena kwa commit crime na etimi about so like aka incitement to commit say a crime
say abeka mama chawa dio ye offense be a friend conspiracy na conspiracy dey be ameka ho asem chiro say me am ye prosecutor na say my prosecutor na say me defense lawyer na say me lawyer am say me offense be the one is true no criminal code mu chain conspiracy. Through conspiracy chain offense be me say conspiracy that is ten time. E chewa ubu wanza omo ye obasa na say bibi na boni ma chewo no. Enu nti no e ma obi wa no a ana obi no di nkomo ya hwe obi yi. Obi ka chero say yenkobo adaka bretu na okasa matia wa join the conspiracy no. That conspiracy is the reverse gear. The conspiracy is one semi be abetment womb, incitement womb, counseling womb, encouragement womb, and also. And maybe to hold them as a lawyer, criminal law mu make sure say ubie wano a ya hwe wo yi na wan ka say dika ka asem na wo ka na wo die ze ya na na wadamfo bi nso so wana obi a ofre ne ho adamfo eba wo nche no na odi nkomo a ya na wa hwe wo yi kakra wo nkomo no obusi rough road na wo de na bakwan mu unim so record o to no obusi rough road na wo mumu de na bakwan mu ebi ze wo pe wo de bia na wo pe wo de na kwa edit no de wo de na si rough road nti wo no se yenkoye we no waka je se dan we so mfa so ne say me de bia ngire ye ono se yenkoye we no bu na bakwa mu so we hu ya we twen ne ye say we na abribia wo mumu no wakwa akoda ne say wo treat ne nipa na so wa nhwi na ka ewu za asem no so ka platform so a eno wo do sa na atwere wo di wadwe na watwere ne ye de de me de ma no kan de me kan se me type o computer yi si me ni ba exe de me matwere pepepe o ndi se wo bie wa no akata na me se me stroke conspiracy e che meda no de se me na wo se me ye act the conspiracy de wa no kwa na wo de be kan wo no de wa no kwa ene wo ne ye bia e kire wa du tirimu adwen e ye wo ne ye bia e kire wo tirimu adwen so o se wo me yemfa ka yi mba ko yi o se ko nim kakra o ba na de abono ene nka wo je bo no kra nka ye because acho what you put to bonny the acho no conspiracy what the body we are one fa abono kra na what you to bonny so onye money acho the police boss wo mu di we no machi acho so it is that abetment no eno wo conspiracy mo a subset conspiracy dey need abetment but abetment no wo conspiracy no and there no ma wo ye ubie wano ana utu obipo ana o ka asema kire obi a wonim na na nkobodie bi no asante for say edan wa aso do kasa ya adan so ye konkonsani nti asem no kwa de me de bi kwa de se de dije kwa de me mpa ma no kra nka ya me bese me di bitim po bedwen bone it is a bone no tibi kopie na apie de wo akontem bebre nti ne ya bitu nkropo ko se ya wo nsi abotre won se be fi o manu mu ba ya ko manu mu na bone nyina afiri ba de nti de so be kata me pate kan wo bi nti no de ye me pe na meye na se no pa ho dia die me de ma no ka de repapa o bi kwa beti ma fro o phone ki ti ne a wo ke on kan tro so o record wo radio so ana TV so no akoka ate me wa nhwedi yokoyi ano pa and the social media I enjoy udi bi agre yi wa hwe ho otro papa
kwambe so ne betimi ayi wa hwe ho
me ni ada kabre na only the WhatsApp na say text message yi instant we ya na duru ba bi ekro na de estre na say na sana na me de ade bi to me platform so the two platforms so me delete here me ye ma de be delete no be a reply na
just wa copy here free side o do delete enye ye
after the basket be o ade no me say me delete kra no me delete no obi a reply no platform no and we dey say me delete so it is a wo hwe wo ka no an hwe ya ye mfa na agro a yebedi no na ye ka o man no ho nsam ne onipa bo ne die udi a minia eno de udi agro a do ko ateti mu pa no de bitu o man fo no for titiru omo a omu nim die wo crime ho no omo hwe omo kasa mu yie wo nim die kra no a etise me e wo crime na hwe me mpese me ma no mpo bedi da nkomo no yana ye bone ho nkomodie ne timi twetwon de ko atempi mu
yo okay enti ni kra no ene ye frefra prosifo say omo a contribute to and omo participate in a WhatsApp platform bi so wati na o represent bi
daddy mente mate na me represent bi amate sa mukika no news na me represent mu bia
baako ye frɛ no ne yɛse wo ɛsɛ wo nipa so mesi wo ne nakasa ana ɔse ya me akra new year school me kan say ɛna contact me man ko anto aso ɛne ye frɛ second one ɛne yɛse na wo jafo no so me da me platform so no so de me to so na ya da so na omo so da me ko demonstration bi na me so ya mo nkoji police permit ana mo notify police na chiri so na asema ya kanam kaso oh ene de Ghana ba bia dure de wutum se Ara Spring bi bitimi aba ene se de ne bata ho na wo de behwe na abatement to commit treason yetimi de anya wokum third one so ye hwe no so ne kuja second one ma wokukushia primary person who face charge of treason sanoma no ma we nyina social media eno na wa cautioning but state no ebenya nyina so the sex charges no secure conviction.
We are like a Bremakawa or 2 years of pain, the police for the Omu to me, say, or much charge, the metal of the take, or meet your babbage, no much charge me read. Charging the away or Modia and Marani the Amom. You see, me here, or meet your babbage, no much charge me read to my report, or me, I'm off the Accra. Omu to me, so much charge will be our offense, be our one card, your but the air, they will move so ye, Article 19 na over my or year constitution no mono. That will charge will be a interest, be a take a crack, and I'll be part of the Kumuno. Now, no interest would be. So charging for abatement of conspiracy, and they are like abatement of treason. Okay, that's the ordinary beginner court there, abatement, you know, the more for no. Washe ne wig no washe ne gown no washe we nim de ka so ni mani dia na say was the day will be was up there and now day bad there the new thing more for no high court judge for me nsa na e betra say we na asema high court ba kukura te ho no nya asem kitwa na atimwa for me nsa high court for me nsa omo ba betra asem we ya ba beti the police for o ka so mo ye hwehwe mo nko so nye ehwehwemu de ya anya adako yete hwa na nsu ayira fae nti ehwehwemu de omunye unfortunate omunye wie na omaka so omawi na nsem omugina so de beba court no na omubo aboa no nyina asem bi ba na yesese kakra se de benkutan na so for na kwa akoyeku ebia na omudo omuwo nyina so ne mo masem no mo present the ye ma Ghana ponti ase enti ehwen nsem na omude beba no o me ebeye me nwa kakra the police ni peni mu sa pa oni mra pa wo na duma mu pa de na mo kwa ka ase bi de kutu aban obeye kwa on fa na no nka because enya de papa oni mpa yi the police for ye chi wo da o that's why me kwa me defend police for be bring ye chi wo mra bi wo ma ye chi wo mpa do mu ni mpa te enye the police atade ni di ye chi wo mpa to we very careful and the ye tania e bia na nsem ni bi ka ho ase non ko ase ne yekeke dia ne yese ne yese okuruma ye de ate moafo kasa ne yenya authority anase yenya president yina so e de ye na dwuma ye bu bi de se no ade bi de akire de non ko na yini criminal law non ko na yini
ate se eno na ade bo akoma
ye hwe de say that ni ti ana o de kuruma de yitimi kan se ma yini nyina so dia e na me ase de ate moafo no wa kokudura yedi obi ko gina wo mo mutimi ka cheze ku fie ti ta asem na ntesa eno nko ade ya na ma ye neje e wo ye kroma ati wafo no wa kudura omo nso so ensem bibire so anata nyene ya eneme court na judge no twitwa ensem bibire mu want of prosecution no striking out want of prosecution no ha
adana just adana ne yira nyene breakfast ama no
o de bi sa te mo afo no nya kukuduru ate mo afo no wa kukuduru sa wo ye lawyer na say we are accused person ya ehu mo na wonya ade no nko ade a but omaya te mo afo ni akukuduru ono judgment and the ruling no ko obetwere no nyo obekan no nyo na twere ye dia ene na wo a ye kan fa wo no ehu ahye wo ene me hu bi a ne striking out with the te mo afo ni akukuduru se ya na chese wo so ye lawyer no we ni ache
na chese ye ke na chese prosecution no ye kokwasa na judge no free say mu excessive hardship na mo de ma defendant yi
and until was I don't know at the command mutana na yede let us the police people e dey hu na di kan de o chechew e de go court no je de o go prison but you already na te mo afọ ni akoko duro no na ma ni yehu no what else the baby at mo afọ no wa akoko duro because o mo ye nya yehu o mo te dwankobia ye dey asem na ba o ni ma mpacho ti ma se ma me nye ye se ma ye okay go to before bracket idea will pay ya will say mention the power feeding them. I feel the amount of so many night in the wound to be passing beer, my head could be what near discharge of coupé.
Well, yeah. But you go, Wadaroma, quay na papa, me of a also free now or a lawyer, SAT, one man, and your friends or na go so cano, and now when Chica no banahin crew, or maybe droop and that's at them foot through or quampa. I will say, the dubos embassies are there, almost promotum near Prabos and I catch a partner with Chambers and Crawford Abidru or rap Wabuaho. And you see a case is in Abidru and Trico Buabuaho.
Your mom when you moon and Abia. Every one can say we are so a moon at the Becocot or power van cocot. When you moon in area, so my caution. If you go bit my charge, but only no evidence no money in ano. And ya dear so much cocot that because treason no crown or sharp. Then the yes, or your brother, as such a matter. You take cocota and yeah, evidence are papa, and there do some almost evidence. The engine or more share or more evidence, and the airborne fire is there. Or more better to woman and or munti or pound years to name or mind would rabay the dead. Never yet say a show granoa, you do any dear mouth found ye, then ye bear, yin, mind your nay, you are not say, or mind need in a ye, or the ye, a my yina. So we had to send you 1 year, yet tis or my yacho or mono yabro or one, I see the Omoya Kuku Biana, and the normal one, dear. Me or woman go cars in BI, but many of them come and say, do be bothers or you could.
Okay, many were na or baby, I say me comments beach there, Quabramafo, Tama, Yedidi, Honkomo, and Sana, a year, Martin Pebu, a buy, no, na, or me run it, sir, or bano, assem with you, so na, or Jews with you. Was a bata, no more, and we are non power. Na fe wie so a mahwe second one so a wo kan ye say treason esosene meda na enye adanse afa bia na rebeko you tell us more the entire cancer but then oba no say otie Martin Kpebu no te say Martin Kpebu ka say ye kire ACP Dr. Bena Agbozono ne yire empo ehunu no ma ene etianopa no nsia na yire ne tibie nan ya ma na yire ne ma no nkora enchia ye bema no into oba no se me musa o se me busa question bi to Martin Kpebu say na dan ye the same rules are process for the year adwuma no na bia na de year adwuma na de na bebentia ye be deny oba no the opportunity say obebusa de kunu kura say na ho te san. What are your thoughts on the aspect say Obana is being denied the opportunity to meet up with Nikunu over 24 hours actually Nikunu?
Me nim say ni asem no no crazy. Now obviously we nya lawyers for the catcher say the che Nikunu no e free nra and 24 hours in the no. Uhunu baby a Nikunu wo dia. Then the next say me nim say lawyer dey wo.
Cheze wa hunu baby a Nikunu wo na wakwa wo ne Nikunu lawyer na wo ho. But fitianopa no nsia ye ma onchia ne kunu mpo ama ne kunu so nchia no enti that din
the lawyer no so e
and the lawyer no so ehunu no eme ye na omoda ho te ho
ha so ohun se akem no omo ye sa na e ba o they say the lawyer na wo ma ni hunu no na te bia wo be kan free wo bia ye nyi ntu mo mre mo me ye case bi e wo court na omuchi abrantie no memenda anado 10 ena omuteki the statement na mebisa o court say ne mo kan kire ne say o ho kwan say obefa lawyer but memenda anado 10 no obenya lawyer no we so memenda anado 10 pm entie no ntino court no bo ne statement na wo to kire ni nyina guye. So man for the master constitutional provision. It was just not to my knee. Now if you know ya which in here, onya acquiring cars or then the lawyer at the casting, and now onya acquiring who near in May on duress I beg to do. In the day now be free the one no more court to the Japan. Then you do. And then I will be a one no more court to be there too. If you say, and the Mrano say what chain on a catcher and say, that the crowd watching me, or who cries the wound lawyer. In fact, will be an or said the lawyer. So, lawyer, he could fear, let us send the client that can say, you know, or could fear, I want to be done with this and I think the now, we had the Supreme Court Aka, Article 19.1. Like I said, also more investigations, more change for also you Article 19. I said, I'll better throw one about the Blue Court. Oh, the American, so move to me so for the better you. Now, so, only the assembly about him more for the way it treated, no, at the more for me and some other now. About the social media view say. If you know out in a lawyer cry in your coin, for Neno Ebekata, and I said the year in the Mampo in your coin, and your commanded Biani. Oh, now if you could know this special diety in designing any friend on due influence, the statement to be obey Kibiana. Or what the backwater, you better watching it. Now, they are not prosecutors, you know, any at the more for the who at the more for any tears, that's a million. And yet the crown said the year and then the market now Pezu now money Buno. So and just a fan I wasn't there but now the lawyer so money Buno and the end and the Nipano the Nakoshan Krima and I thought the Nakako day and the Zubia de Humi.
Into final one, or didn't now can say and as o can say a treason mood to snake meda.
Say meda de only Judge Bacope, and the Juros song, and the year by the cat of Watson. Truly, I think more for me and the high court judges in the end. Now, I call judge, who convinced the Bacope cry, no, and said that number.
And the sea saying,
oh, did I want to make it that meet you as a prosecutor, that's a judge, maybe without questions. While we are the cat of what take it title, so no matter now the buyer on the end to answer. And now we defense lawyer, so that's the who makes submission, that's the judge, you know. You know, this will be without questions. If you want to look at my lord, I'm going to be the client, you know, only ground. Let's say, back up for you. Now, it is any who be a court of appeal or my own to move you. Questions there, the man, why we have my lord, I will drop. So that is how only empire say court of appeal judges against that now all day nipa bebre abeti na o tse ne bejoma ma case yi bi tira we say yenko bua say nipa na woni nyina kumbo do you do be kai na o ka go kumbo and now the evidence afa afa bi ba be tira o mani me dey me di hampo but say so o moye you won first go on ma we prosecutor near the bro kra na we dia ha. Oh, a bit there, Major Mahamaki. Dependent stores do your prosecutor, demand the party the amount. We a defense lawyer, and so I asked them to any Babu Kata. Gave me a simple lady, lawyers, no, department fine for no lawyer, Marco, Nake Marco Marco, and Gaudi imagine. In the treason there, we a lawyer, Crana, who quite keep the treason, although so what I did, you might just say that down. So, the general and as I said, police for only BNI, for only state institutions, no, or more investigation, also member. So, my memoir now be investigation, we now the machine office, the matter said, if you know the Sabria, the and the monk who be or more a person or baby or more papa now, Mokunu away. They do crown over Rubia or Pano, Fianopa. Yeah, was here the Breno. Yeah, Mam Pambreno, and no to me. The Kakra statement or better and obey to another video. And some review. Now, court of appeal decision be over Mao. That statement, no home, our case about who be one. Who the getting bodies and say, you want to shut down Yembrema or Mota, according to the court. And as it is, so I can bring a court, so more human right court, or more human right direction. But yeah, you quite which they will say, and then a human rights and the baby and what they do to the anyone. The thing now switch that in more for normally the constitutional. I saw once that's for more human rights and mobile. Okay. You share the teaching of Mama or you Baponia. Let the human rights are here, costly.
You Lord, you better do I say na quay na tewason na third police officer also has been accosted Inti ensam no bebu ante propro mu ye pa ye de wase pa
Matimi so be that ya.
Augustine Abua Esquire criminal law specialist.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.